Cold cases are any cases that have stalled in the investigation process that really could be helped and move forward and solved if the investigators had some kind of leads. And so we are equipped to offer those services, our expertise. So there are many reasons why cases stall, and by that means that there's just no investigative leads, that kind of law enforcement is at a stopping point and they have nothing further. There's no evidence, there's whatever that particular case there might be a certain reason, and every case is so different. It just means that there's nothing there to understand who may have been involved in this incident, that you have a person that's been assaulted or has been a victim of a crime, and we just have no one to point towards to say this is a potential suspect. Law enforcement at that point has reached all of the ends, all of the investigations that they can do for that particular case. Usually in cold cases, there's boxes of evidence and documents that really need to be gone through, and usually law enforcement has their own cold case units. But it's always wise and beneficial to that case to lean on outside of the organization and expertise that's available, and that's something that we would offer. There are more eyes and different expertise that you have looking at these cases that have stalled. Really, you have more of a chance to move them forward, and just really tapping into some of the newer resources like genetic genealogy and having those resources. A lot of it, it costs a lot of money to get genetic testing done now. So we do have resources where we have some things that could be funded to help law enforcement move cases forward.